Hi guys, this is JM of Kabuyao ESO Practical Shooters. Let me introduce to you the evolution of SACD timer nung nag-umpisa akong i-design to at i-develop ang timer na to. So, I started with this big black enclosure. Kung mapapansin nyo, still working until now. It has the old LCD. Dito nag-umpisa yung design or yung hilig ko pag-develop ko ng timer. So, ito yung mother or yung una-unang design na ginawa ko. Pero ang stoplight nito ngayon wala na kasi dilipat ko doon sa Gen 2. So yung circuit niya, yung stoplight niya na ano, hindi ko na naikabit. Nasa ibang enclosure na siya. So dati ganun din, we have a standby mode. So mag-stop lang din siya kasi wala siyang stoplight. So medyo malaki ito, bulky, and it has also built-in battery. Medyo hindi pa to proper design, so dito lang ako nag-umpisa nung ginawa ko yung unang design. And then, I came up with this compact one na ginawa ko. And then, meron na siyang stoplight. Ito yung Gen 2 kung tawagin ko. So, I made the initial 5 units of this one. Yung 4 na ilabas naman natin sa mga may gusto. So, may kumuha naman ng 4. So, dito, ginawa natin to for personal uh, use or solo practicing timer. Kasi pag in-start mo yung start button, dito sa random standby mode before siya mag-start ng time. So, pagka tinama mo yung stoplight, it will stop the time. So, ito yung Gen 2 na ginawa natin, and we have only limited features. So, I decided to improve the design, and I came up with this last generation or the new generation, which is yung Gen 3 na ginawa natin na ngayon is available for if you wanted to have this one. So medyo nilagyan na natin ng konting arte. Meron na tayong boot up mode dun sa pag ginoon mo yung screen. Same pa rin yung design. We have make ready uh, para maging easy na din dun sa MO kung ano yung sasabihin niya sa shooter. So, but this one has no battery monitor. This one has a new battery monitoring. So, it has 4 bars. The 100%, 75%, 50%, and 25%. So, you may know kung kailan mo siya i-charge, kung kailangan mo na siya i-charge, or pwede mo siyang gamitin. So, it has a built-in voltage divider. If I'm going to discuss it, what's inside. So, alam naman siguro kung may alam dyan sa electronics. But anyway, so it has also a random on or and off. So, if hindi ko na nilagyan ng indicator kasi normally alam naman pagka nagamit mo na. Mahirap kasi i-3D print eh. So, anyway, so if we switch on the stoplight, this is the reset button and this is the start button. Kung naka-random on, magkakaroon ka ng standby before it beeps. And then if you hit the stoplight, it will stop the time. So kung mapapansin nyo, let me reset again. If we off the random, it will automatically beep when you press the start button. So mapapansin nyo, merong connection status dyan. I'm not sure if it is legible in the camera kasi hindi naman pwedeng ma-zoom. I have a poor camera. So if we switch it off, naka-X siya. So ibig sabihin wala kang connection. within the stoplight. Pag naka-on, oh, kasi nag-on eh. So anyway, pag naka-on, meron kang connection. So, yan. So if you hit the stoplight, stop the time. Kagandahan nito, it has also a belt clip sa likod kung gusto mo ilagay doon sa bulsa mo. Has also a charging port. This is Type C. So any phone charger that is Type C can charge this console. At the same time, with the stoplight, it has also a battery monitoring. Just press the test button, and you can see there's 100%, 75%, 50%, 25% of battery capacity. Kung ilan na lang yung battery na nilalaman itong stoplight. So power button and also a charging port. Also Type C. So, in this innovation or improvement ginawa natin, kasi tabi ko muna to, kasi gumawa tayo ng before sa Gen 2, limited yung tinatawag nating range. I mean, hindi siya limited sa range. I mean, limited siya pag multiple units. So, this time, I design na kahit multiple unit at close range, wala siyang problema with respect sa signal interruptions. So, ito dalawang unit, we have orange and the red one. Kung mapapansin nyo, red din yung stoplight just to match with the console. Same thing with this one. It's also orange and orange. So, press the start button. Running. Connected. Running. Not connected kasi naka-stop. On. On na siya. So, if we hit the stop, this one will stop the time. This one, so running, hit the stoplight, will stop the time. So, we have various colors available, pero at this stage, meron na tayong 5 units. We have also comes in black color, also have gray color, and the fifth unit, the brown color. So, this is the initial 5 units na available. If you wanted, just let me know. Or if you have any questions, just let me know and I'm happy to answer your questions. Thank you.